Explorers, I am Piklu the Parrot, and today we're going on a color adventure. Guess what color we'll learn today? Let's spin the color wheel. Which color, guys? Is it green, red, yellow, or blue? Which color, guys? Ooh, look at that! It's red! Can you shout red with me? Red! Great! Let's repeat one more time. Red. Superb! Now let's fly to Redville. Wow! Look at all this red. Let's play. Look around Redville. What red things can you see?
Red apple, ladybug, fire truck, balloons, red houses, red trees.
Excellent! Let's say hello to all the red things. Hello, red apples! Red apples shining in the sun. Red is bright and full of fun. Red like hearts and strawberries too. I love red. Do you love it too? Come on, let's go ahead in Redville. Hello, red ladybug. Red ladybug with tiny spots, red like cherries and cooking pots. Red is bold and full of cheer. I smile so big when red is near. Do you smile too when red is near? Now let's say hello to red fire trucks. Hello, fire trucks. Red fire truck goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Flashing lights and lots of room. Red so bright, it saves the day, helping people all the way. Hello, red balloons. Red balloons go up so high, floating gently in the sky. Red so bright like a cherry pop, I wish this red would never stop. Great friend, it's time to identify the red color. Friends, let's quickly spot the red. Yeah, that's red. Oops, that's not red. Let's point the red shirt. Correct. That's not red shirt. Friends, let's shout red whenever we see red. Not Ray. Oh, it's red. Oops! Well, red again. What's next? Red car. Friends, can you shout red every time you see something red? Ready? Get set, go! Let's find red. Look around just like I said. Do you see anything in red? Yay! Correct! It's red apple. Great! Let's find out what red thing is coming up next. Superb! Do you see anything in red? Excellent! You are doing great! Yes, red balloons. Whee! That was flappy-tastic. Ready for the next color challenge? Oh no! I lost my red hat! Can you help me find it? Which one is red? Yes! That's the one! You did it! Great job! We had so much fun in Redville today. Now it's your turn. Can you find something red in your room? Look around. I'll wait. Found something? Wow, you're a color explorer now. Friends, you did an amazing job spotting red. I'm so proud of you. You earned the shiny red color explorer badge from Piklu Boo. With this, we learn to identify the red color. Next time, we'll visit another color world. Maybe Blue Bay? Until then, flap your wings and shout, bye-bye! Welcome back, friends! In our last adventure, we discovered the color red and proudly earned the Red Color Explorer badge. Today, we're diving into the world of blue. Hello, friends! It's me, Piklu the Parrot. Today, we're off to a magical place called Blue Bay. Everything here is, can you guess? Blue! Let's flap our wings and find some blue things together. Look at that big blue sky! And oh, the blue splashy sea! Blue above and blue below. Everywhere we fly and we go. Friends! Shout out blue every time you see blue. Blue sky and blue sea. So friends, now what else do you see in blue?
Yacht and dolphins.
Superb! A big blue yacht sails on blue sea. Blue dolphins leap so joyfully. Blue waves are dancing, splashing too. It's a world of wonder, all in blue. Great! Let's flap together to the seashore and check what blue we get to see. Oh, wow! A blue ball floats by the shore. A blue chair waits for me once more. Under my blue umbrella, I watch waves roar. Wow, friends, we found so many blue things today. Sky, sea, yacht, ball, umbrella, chairs, and fish. Friends! We had so much fun in Blue Bay today. Now, let's recognize the blue color together and shout out loud whenever we see the blue color. Nope, no blue here. Wow, blue hot air balloon. Oops, that's not blue. Wow, blue butterfly. That's blue lollipop. Friends, we just learned to identify the blue color. It's time for the color challenge now. Oh no, I've lost my blue hat. Can you help me find it? Awesome, that's the one. Let's check. What's next? Can you spot the blue fish? Great job! Yay, that's blue fish. I wonder, what will our next challenge be? Oh, wow, colorful balls? Can you find the blue ball? Hooray! You are Color Explorer! Blue makes me feel calm and happy. Does blue make you feel the same? We had so much fun in Blue Bay today. Now it's your turn. Can you find something blue in your house? Look around. I'll wait. Found something in blue? Wow, you're a color explorer now. Superb, friends! You did a mind-blowing job. I'm so proud of you. Hooray! You earned the shiny blue color explorer badge from Piklu Boo. And that's how we learned to find the color blue. Next time, we'll visit another color world. Maybe Green Yard? Until then, clap your hands and shout, bye-bye! Hello, friends! Welcome back! In our last adventure, we explored the color blue together, and you did such an amazing job. And you had earned the Blue Color Explorer badge. Today, Piklu is super excited to take you into a brand new magical place. the green yard. Are you ready to flap your wings and discover the color green with me? Let's go. Wow, I'm flying into the magical green yard where trees, grass, and so many wonderful green things are waiting for us. Come on, friends, let's explore together. Welcome to the green yard, friends. Everything here is green and full of life. Look around. The grass is green, the trees are green. So many shades of green. Can you point to something green? Can you guess? I will wait. Guess what? I'm green too. The grass is green, the trees are too. And look around, I'm green with you. Let's go ahead in the green yard and spot more green things. Hop, hop, a green frog. Can you hop like a frog? Ready? Oh ho! Friends, what else do you see in green?
Tortoise.
Yes, a green tortoise walks slowly on green grass, carrying his shell like a home. Wow, shuku shuku! We are doing great! Let's fly ahead and explore more grain in green yard. Wow, look up! Green kites are flying high in the sky. Friends, can you stretch your arms up and wave like the kite is flying away? Hooray! You're doing an amazing job, my friends. We're learning so much about the color green together. Wow, friends! We found so many green things today in Green Yard. Let's identify green color together. That's not green. Wow, green kite. That's not green. Green butterfly. Green candy yummy. Amazing friends, we learned to identify green color. It's time for the color challenge now. Are you ready? Oh no, I lost my green hat. Can you help me find it, friends? Yay, that's the one. I'm glad you found it. Superb. Let's see what the next challenge is. Oh, look at the frogs! Hop, hop! Can you find the green frog? Great job! Yeah, that's green frog. Let's go ahead with the green challenge and see what comes next. Oh, wow! Juicy fruits! Apple, guava, and orange. Can you spot the green fruit? Amazing! You are doing great in spotting green color. Friends, we had so much fun exploring the green yard today. It's your turn now to find the green color around you. Can you spot something green in your room? Look around carefully. I will wait. Found something in green? Super! Guess what? You're a color explorer now. Fantastic work, my friends. You truly did an outstanding job. Big cheers! I'm super proud of you. Fantastic! You've unlocked the Green Explorer badge from Piklu Boo. Ta-da! Now we know all about the color green. Now, let's take on the red, blue, and green colors challenge. Friends, can you spot the red color? Amazing! That's the red one. Now, time to spot the green shirt, friends. Amazing! You are doing great. Let's spot blue bag together. Superb, friends! Wow, friends, what an amazing adventure we had today. We spotted red, blue, and green all around us. You did such a fantastic job exploring colors with Piklu. Remember, colors are everywhere, so keep looking, keep exploring, and keep having fun. See you soon for our next colorful adventure. Bye-bye!